Good morning students. Today I am going to start 9th class economics first chapter, that is the story of village Palampur. So children, in this chapter we will discuss different economic activities which take place in rural areas, especially in villages. Okay, because this thing you know very well that most of the rural people, they are completely dependent on the farming activities. They are completely dependent on primary sector. But there are some people, those are engaged in non-farming activities also, like dairy, like manufacturing, small scale industries, manufacturing industries, like shopkeeping, like transportation. So all these things we will discuss in this chapter one by one. Okay, so this chapter begins with an imaginary village story, that is the story of village Palampur. This is completely imaginary village, hypothetical village, and first you should know about some important points, some important things about this particular village. So I have written, children, here you are able to see some points I have written regarding this particular village. So I will explain you one by one. So first, if we talk about the families of this particular village, so approximately 450 families live in this particular area of a different caste. Okay, there are upper caste people also, there are lower caste people also. So upper caste people, 80 families are there, those belong to upper caste, and most of the land of village Palampur, that is owned by these people, means these 80 families. Okay, and on the other hand, 1/3 people of this particular village belong to lower caste, and they are small farmers, they are marginal farmers, they have small piece of land, some are landless also, and they belong to lower caste. Okay, so this is about the families. Second important thing that you should know, that land distribution is also not equal in this particular village. Okay, because those belong to lower caste people, they have less land in comparison to the upper caste people. So this is all about the families of village Palampur. Now come to the next important thing, that is transportation. So good transportation facilities are available in this particular village. Good road connectivity is there. All this particular village is well connected with neighboring area like Raiganj and Shahpur. People use different types of transportation facilities, like they use bullock carts, they use rickshaws, tongas, motorcycles, truck, jeep. So these are the means of transportation. So this particular village is well connected with nearby areas. Now children, come to third important point, that is power supply. So if we talk about the power supply means electricity supply. So almost all villages have electricity connections, and therefore people use electricity in farming also. Okay, they have their own pump sets, they have tube wells also. So for irrigation, these people use electricity. Now next important thing, that is a school. If we talk about the education system of this particular village, so good education system is here, because two primary schools are available here and one high school is there. So that's why you can say that good educational facilities are given to the people of this particular area. Now come to the healthcare unit. So health facilities are appropriate in this particular village, because one government healthcare unit is established in this particular area, and one private dispensary is also available. So through this way you can say that healthcare facilities are also appropriate in this particular village. So children, through these examples and through this description, now you would be able to understand that this village is well developed village, because you can say that good transportation facilities are there, good power supply, electricity facilities are there in this particular village, educational facilities, healthcare facilities are appropriate. So you can say that this is well developed village. Okay, so this is all about this particular chapter. And children, in this particular topic, in next topic I will explain you that how many factors are responsible for the production of any activity. Because you know this thing, that when we produce anything, so many factors are responsible. So what are those factors, I will explain you in my next lecture. Thank you children.